So right off the bat, I really like how this car drives. The 8-speed is just really smooth. And when you give it throttle or you don't give it throttle, depending on what you're doing, it does what it's supposed to do. We're gonna put it into comfort mode. And even with this SUV setup and all-wheel drive, pretty smooth ride. We'll go ahead and put it in sport mode to get on the interstate here. And we'll give it some throttle coming out of this corner. And I just love how these 3-liter turbocharged inline sixes accelerate from BMW. They're so great. That's really the only way to describe it. But very smooth ride coming down the interstate there. Very impressive. And there's the auto stop that just kicked on. So the Eco Pro is actually really, really good in terms of the driving mode. It keeps you from burning up gas while you're accelerating, but it's still a comfortable ride. And it doesn't limit you enough to be dangerous. And I say that to say a lot of your eco modes, if you pull out and you need to floor it, it doesn't let you do anything. But this one still gives you plenty of power to accelerate if you need to do that. And I will say the ride height and just overall driving experience is really good. Like I said earlier, the power is great, but being able to sit up high and still feeling like I'm in a sports car instead of a big SUV, that's why the X5 sells so well for people in that segment. And this will bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 BMW X5 xDrive40i.